and Randolph could be seeing a lot more visitors in town. An initial hearing was held today for a proposed mixed-use development to be located on over 170 acres right off of I-89. But some residents have mixed feelings. WPTZ's Liz Streppa has the story tonight.
Sam Samus owns over 150 acres off of I-89 in Randolph. He hopes to turn his land into a large-scale development called the Green Mountain Center.
I plan to have this project as the best planned and architecturally the best project that's ever been done in the state.
Among other things, it will include a welcome center, a 180-room hotel, an industrial park, and 275 new homes. And Samus says it will bring close to 1,000 jobs.
You know, we have people in the area that work 2, 3 jobs to make ends meet, and here's an opportunity to do something very special.
But before construction begins, the developer needs an Act 250 permit. As part of that process, state officials toured the property with other interested parties before hearing from the developer. Some residents feel it's too much for the small town of Randolph.
When the town is trying to promote Randolph, one of their goals is to promote Randolph as, you know, a place with a strong agriculture and silviculture economy. Just completely counterproductive.
Camden Walters is part of a group called Exit 4 Open Space. They oppose the development, and so does Jessica Taffert.
People come from out of state to see rolling hills, to see agriculture, to see farmland. They don't come to Vermont to see office buildings, to see 274 houses, to see a suburb of houses, which is what this proposed development is.
Despite the opposition, Samus says he's determined to get the ball rolling.
I would hope that 6 months from today, we would have the Act 250 permit done and completed.
But Samus knows it's a long road ahead. In Randolph, Liz Streppa, WPTZ News Channel 5.